After spending 2 beautiful days with my family in Goa, I'm heading straight into the glam mode, and honestly, this calm before the chaos is everything. I had 4 looks with this bride, 2 looks a day. I quickly started the day creating this beautiful mehndi look, and this is how it turned out. So here's an outfit check. Later took a quick break to soak in this view, walked back to the room for some much needed rest before doing the cocktail look, and then finally calling it a day.
So this is our stay for the day, and tomorrow we'll be leaving.
Took a nap while I was still missing my baby, as I still could hear her voice in my ears. Having a long distance niece feels like a part of my heart lives far away from me. Next look was finished in blink of an eye. Didn't get proper time to shoot the cocktail look, but here are few pictures, and just like that, the day came to an end. Day 2 started with early morning haldi makeup while I was setting up the workstation. It looked super organized in my head, but probably very concerning to someone else who were watching. But like some wise person once said, trust the process. And finally, the bride was ready to shine for her haldi ceremony. And look at her. You know the best part about this person? She looks beautiful in and out. She has a kind soul. I pray that every makeup artist should get a client like Nikki. And you know what? I'm not telling you for the sake of this video, because Nikki will never come across this video, I think. But I am telling you genuinely that she's a pure soul. Period. Here is the showstopper of all the look, which is of course the wedding look. Very flawless and scalp makeup, check. Hair with a sleek back bun, check. Now let's see what Nikki wants to say.
Done a flawless job. Like, I can't believe that this is me.
Oh God, thank you so much.
Genuinely speaking, like, you've made me look so beautiful. I could never imagine myself looking like this. And I mean it, and you're the sweetest person that I ever know.
Thank you so much.
Remember when I said Nikki is a kind soul? Now you'll know why. After her Kalire ceremony, she came over to my room and offered a piece of her Kalire. Clients तो मेरे सारे sweet होते हैं, but ये ज़रा मेरे दिल को छू गई. And me, on the other hand, as I'm doing this voiceover after a year, I have still the Kalire with me. Not that I want to get married or something, but the thought and efforts behind this gesture means a lot to me.
मतलब डेट for the time of arrival.
So there's a fun story that I want to tell you. मैंने अमय को गोवा टू मुंबई का टिकट बुक करने लगाया था. So ideally he was supposed to book it like 2 months before the trip. बुक तो कर दिया उसने, बस एक गलती की कि उसने instead of booking गोवा टू मुंबई उसने मुंबई टू गोवा बुक कर लिया. और वो बस मुझे जाते जाते पता चला. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, चिल्लाया उसको थोड़ा सा, तो चुपचाप घर गई, उसका शर्ट लिया. Very silently the revenge was taken.
Story time. When Nikita made an inquiry, my mom was hospitalized, and I still remember I was sitting in the waiting room at midnight sorting 3 assignments, 6 days, 3 different cities, so much to do at once. Luckily, Nikita's date got postponed and I could manage Goa, Mumbai, and MP's assignment peacefully. Despite Goa being partially my hometown, I never got a chance to work here, and that's when I made my mind कि ये साल तो बॉस क्लाइंट यहाँ पे आके करके ही रहूँगी. And finally, against all the odds and everything happening at the background, I made it happen. Come back for part 2. Bye.